Closing remarks and official word of thanks from none other than my closest friends ever possible, my partner, my co-founder of the Policy Times, and perhaps one of the few individuals in the world who has finest hearts possible. One of the finest hearts possible. I think is a very wonderful human being and has been lending all possible support to run a platform like the Policy Times. So Mr. Salman Ahmed, co-founder of the Policy Times, to give the final word of thanks and a quick summary recap of the whole session that we have done.
Thank you, Akram sir. As always, you have been an inspiration, and thank you everyone. So it's always an honor to conclude these important conferences which are actually indispensable for sustainability and growth of human existence. Also, the socio-environment economic development model which was discussed today will ultimately benefit our collective mission of nation building. We at Policy Times are really thankful to all of you. We all have witnessed that why these important conference on issues and concerns of international interest are so very important. All the guest speakers have done justice to the issue, I feel personally, in when they have discussed the issue on plastic waste management ecosystem in India by rightly acknowledging and suggesting effective policy implementation roadmap solutions for the challenges and opportunities India is and will be facing with respect to EPR implementation under the Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021. Actually, which is the core concerns of United Nations also actually in their Sustainable Development Goal model on broader perspective for humanity at large. In today's conference, the Policy Times has awarded some of the best brands and recyclers to celebrate their best sustainability practices and waste management solution achievements. For those who have missed, our viewers would like to again share the achievers' name. The awardees were and are Dabur India Limited, Vrindavan Plastic Industries, the Shakti Plastic Industries, EcoX, and Green Space Eco Management Private Limited under the category of Sustainability Development Business Excellence Award. Continuing the goodwill tradition of Thanksgiving, first of all, I would like to take inspiration from Samir Joshi sir and Ankur Chaturvedi sir. Okay, we should all thank the Almighty Creator for guiding us to organize such important events, sir, for the well-being of all living creatures and non-living creatures of the universe. Dear guests, it is revealed that those who don't thank people have actually not thanked the Almighty Creator. So with this guidance, on behalf of the Policy Times, feel dignified and honored to thank our guest speakers and wonderful event partners, the Shakti Plastic Industries, Recycling, Ramki Enviro, GRC India. We are also thankful to our event associates, MRAI, IPI, ICC, EcoX, Sampoon Earth, and Green Space. I am also thankful to Dr. P. Shekhar sir, our mentor and guide, who has always ensured that we grow in the right direction. Thanks to the Policy Times team, which is behind the scene doing lots of efforts, which really deserves a lot of applause also from the viewers and guests and all the event sponsors for their untiring efforts and contribution in this organizing this event. And how can this vote of thanks be completed if I'm not thanking actually the soul of the Policy Times and my dear and champion friend, founder editor Mr. Akram Haq Bhai, whose incomparable talent and commitment has made so many national and international events like these so successful and result oriented. So together we all are looking forward with your support in nation building, and without taking much of time, we really thank all of you. Thank you, Akram sir.